Hey guys, it's Brianna here. So today I want to talk to you. This is going to be a short little video about becoming the product of your products. Now, what do I mean by that? Like if you are promoting a, skincare, let's just say you're promoting Mary Kay or Avon. I'm more familiar with Avon. So if you're promoting Avon, you should be using Avon products. You should be using their face creams, their lipsticks, their nail polish, their whatever. If you're promoting Herbalife, you should be using the Herbalife products, and you should be like a kind of a fitness nut. Like I know a lot of people who are promoting Herbalife that are like fitness nuts, and that's awesome. And if you're promoting like an informational product, you need to be a product of the products. And why is it important? Why is that important from all aspects, whatever you're promoting? Why is it important to be a product of your products? Well, I'm going to explain that to you. So for instance, let's go back to, Mary Kay or Avon was the example that we were using, Avon. If you're, hawking Avon and you're not actually like using the lipsticks and don't actually know what it's doing for your skin and can't really say if you don't one big thing for like women is if for me specifically, like if I'm going to buy a nail polish, I want to know that that nail polish isn't going to chip within like 24 hours. So if I'm asking you, okay, I like this particular nail polish, how long does it usually last on your nails, and you can't tell me, that tells me that you don't know your products. Personally for me, I feel like I need to know my products so that, especially I'm starting to see, more and more success, and people are coming to me with, questions, and they're like, okay, Brianna, how do I do X, Y, and Z? And, I'm, building my business this way. What can you, tell me what to do? And for my particular system, it's so easy for me to just be like, oh, go to, module, X, Y, Z of, this particular product. And then they'll go and they'll take care of it. And what it does is that it alleviates some of the pressure and the stress on you, because you don't have to be on top of it. You just have to know where to find you just have to know where to find the answer to that questions in the products. Does that make sense? So and let's go back to Herbalife. Somebody comes up to me, or if you're in Herbalife and somebody goes up to you and they're like, hey, I want something that, will help me, build muscle and, help me, go stronger during my workout, then they can say, oh, well, you want, this particular powder or, this particular juice, or if you combine these two things together, you'll be able to have, the muscle building properties after your workout, and the, your post-workout or your pre-workout kind of, energizer shake, or whatever the case may be. But it's especially crucial, especially in the business that I'm building, to be a product of the products, to know everything, to go through everything. So if somebody comes up to you on your team and they're like, hey, where do I place a solo ad? You can say, go to webinars 5 and 6 of the 15K formula. You can say, oh, I want to expand. Why do I actually need a blog? And I did a video on this, but why do I need a blog? Is there something that you can direct me to? And I would direct them to the video that I did, and I would direct them to one of the inner circle audios. If somebody came up to me and they were like, well, how do I create a system in which I don't have to work as hard, and I'm doing my work and I'm building my business? And I would tell them to go watch something in the Costa Rica. I would tell them to go watch something in the master's course. These are the kinds of things that you need to be, aware of. You need to be learning everything there is to learn, so you are an expert in what you're selling, because if you're an expert in what you're selling, people will want to buy from you. That's it, period. So that's my video for the day. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will if you would like to learn more about the business that I am promoting and how you can be more become a product of the products, click the link below and enter your email address in, and I will get that information for you. Bye, guys.